So guys, I'm discussing about that how we can updating for XML sitemap. Any particular website. So how we can updating for XML sitemap. First of all, how to check. First, we can go to your website. After .com, we have check option will be sitemap.xml option. So the file will be not exist. So how we can create and update your website XML sitemap option. So first of all, keep on URL will be here. Just copy the URL. We have to create XML sitemap purpose. We are using for two websites. One is called xml-sitemaps.com. xml-sitemaps.com. Just next one, we can go to option will be nimtools.com. Is the second website nimtools.com. In this, we have to come to here in the scroll down here. Where is the option will be there? We can search two ways. Control F, we can search option will be there, or we can search for manual option will be there. So here, just you can go to option here. So where is the file here? Website management tools. The option name is called XML sitemap generator. But here, the XML sitemap generator will be up to particular links will be given in the sitemap generator. They will support up to 5,000. But xml-sitemaps.com, they support up to 500. So here is the option. They support up to 500 pages. If you need the more than 500 pages, we can go to your Pro sitemap. You have to purchase it. You have to purchase it. Those plans will be given 1,000 to 1.5 million pages. They charge for $3.49 per month. $3.49 per month. So now I'm generating for free sitemap. Just here, copy the URL, paste here. Before creating sitemap, we have to select the three options. Sitemap main thing, first of all, modification content anything happening and your page priority, and they will check the page frequency. The page frequency purpose, this value indicate how frequently the content at the particular URL is likely change. What are the change your content frequently? Everything will be changing for where? Page option. Simple guys. Suppose your regular update the content for your website. How we can crawl the website content to the search engine? That the key role will be play for XML sitemap option. So that is called compulsory. This will be always enabled by the page frequency attribute. And what are the content modification is done? How we can indexing everything dependent by the first option. Second option, page priority. How much is highest or lower? How much of preference in the page depth? These all will be showing to a page priority. These three compulsory important when you create the XML sitemap file. Any website, same here. Change frequency, default priority, date, and we can modify date when your modified date will be there. This all will be updated by in this option. Now we can start by create. So file was going to create it here. File was scanned. You have to wait for time will be maybe 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes, maybe less than 10 minutes time. So guys, file will be downloaded, will be finished here. Just click for download the file and go to cPanel. Previous file will be not exist on your website. After uploading file, where go to cPanel, click for file manager. The option name is called public_HTML. In this, we can upload the file will be here. Upload it. Select the file. In this, where the file will be there, just drag and drop. After that, you can go for refresh. The file will be updated here. So when the file will be updated, everything will be recorded, give the XML sitemap. XML sitemap main purpose, site modification, link updation, and link updation for the search engine optimization purpose. This compulsory mandatory field to activate XML sitemap to scroll your website on the search engine purpose.